So, very warm welcome to all of you on this program on risk management and mitigation. As we were discussing, the risk management becomes very crucial for any organization, and for we company secretaries, it becomes an additional role and responsibility. And in today's context, I am sure, friends, you must be reading a lot about in the recent past what all has happened in this country with a company like ILFS, and not only what happened with ILFS that was devastating, but the cascading effect, the negative cascading effect which it had on the entire industry is, I am sure, you would definitely remember. Further, the recent development, which I am sure all of you would be reading, that happened in China, Evergrande, a real estate company, the largest real estate company in China, seems to creating a ripple effect, and a lot of people are saying that Evergrande can have the same impact, same negative impact which the Lehman Brothers had in 2008 globally. I really hope and pray that it does not happen, because the way things seems to be going as of now, looks like the Evergrande crisis is kind of being taken care of, because today globally the whole world cannot afford to suffer a crisis of Lehman Brothers, and therefore, whenever things go wrong of this kind, everyone comes together and try and salvage the situation. Now, can you imagine? Evergrande is a company whose annual income is $100 billion, and its debt is $305 billion. Now, this is really unimaginable how a company whose annual income is just $100 billion has borrowed to the extent of $305 billion. I mean, this kind of ratio, income to debt, is absolutely unimaginable. And when that happens, no wonder the entity is bound to be in crisis, and that is what is happening. We as professionals, as company secretaries, really need to be vigilant all the time and every time in our organizations, and be more, our antennas must always be up for a situation like this. So in our organizations, please remember, as company secretaries, not only we need to worry about the board meeting and the shareholders meeting and the general meeting and filing of the returns with the ROC and Reserve Bank of India and SEBI in case if you are working with a listed company, but we also tend to develop a businessman's attitude and keep on looking and analyzing things from the perspective as to what kind of impact this can happen with our organization. And that is something, friends, I can tell you, will give a major boost to your career. Will give a major boost to your career. Now, before I start, let me share with you what is the purpose of this program. So when Ketan spoke to me for taking this session, and I really thought from the perspective of all of us, I being a company secretary myself, so I could place myself in the shoes of every one of you, and have structured this program in a way that this session that we have today should practically be able to help you in really taking care of the risk management in your business. It should really give you a perspective as to what are the nooks and corners, what are the boundaries of risk management. Is it one thing, two thing, three thing, four things that I need to take care as a company secretary or as a business, or as far as risk is concerned, or it is much wider? So I would try and give you a total perspective as far as the risks are concerned, and also share with you some of the thoughts and ideas that would help us in becoming a good risk manager. Remember, we are looking at the risk management from the perspective of a corporate which is not a bank, because when it is a bank, then the risk management requirements and the and the game of the risk management becomes completely different. But for a manufacturing company, for a corporate which is not a bank or a financial institution, then the risk profile of the organization changes, and the expectation from us as far as the risk management is concerned also changes, and our focus is going to be primarily from that perspective. So purpose of this program is to become aware.
Sir, are you? Sir, Are you sharing screen?
The screen is not visible, sir. I think there is a network issue at your end. Voice is properly audible,
Ah,
but I think screen is not visible.
okay. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me try and set it right.